Hi, I'm Eric Simons, and I'm the author of the Mastering Ionic course. And so what we're going to be learning how to do today is to use the Ionic framework to build really awesome apps that feel like they're native. And so for those who are unfamiliar with Ionic, basically what it does is it provides to AngularJS with, like if you guys are familiar with mobile development on iOS and Android, what UIKit provides to Objective-C and what the user interface elements on Android provide to Java. So basically it gives you, common user interface paradigms like modals, list views, things that you're going to be building your app with, and it allows you to build mobile applications with AngularJS. And so we actually wrote an application called SongHop. It's on the iTunes App Store, and it's been pretty popular. A lot of people really like it. You can see we have some nice ratings here. And so basically the way the app worked, it was kind of like hot or not for music. So if you didn't like a song, you would swipe left. If you did like a song, you could swipe right. And those songs would actually get stored in your profile, and you could listen to the full-length songs and buy them and what have you. And so for this course, we're actually going to create a stripped-down version of SongHop that deals with a lot of different things like authentication and playing audio, etc., etc. So we can go and take a look at that over here. So all we need to do to sign up or sign in is to have an account. And so we'll just have, we'll create a test account here, and we'll sign up. And right now it's playing audio, but for music licensing purposes, I'm not going to pump this through to this video. So if I like this, I can favorite it, which I do like. Wrecking Ball, it's an interesting song. I can skip this one. I don't really like that one. So you'll see when I'm favoriting, it's actually telling us how many things are in my favorites. And if I go to my favorites, you don't hear this, but the audio is now paused. So it's keeping track of our states in the application and making sure our audio is only playing where it's relevant. And so here, if I want to access this song, we're using the Spotify API, and we can just tap on it, and it'll take us over to the Spotify website where we can go ahead and listen to this. I'll close this out. If I don't like one of these songs, I can go ahead and just swipe to the right, and I can delete it, and it's gone. Now, what's also cool is if I refresh this page, it actually remembers my session information with the server. And so this is actually connecting to our main server that we have on Heroku. So this is not actually running locally here. This is accessing an API endpoint, doing session-based authentication, and storing that session information locally inside of our application in the browser. And so this is, very typical if you're building a mobile app and interacting with the backend. We're going to go over how session-based authentication works with tokens, and we're going to teach you all about that. A very simple idea, but covers a lot of aspects of building a mobile application. Connecting to servers. We're going to be using native plugins to play audio, and of course, just the general plumbing of an AngularJS application.